Hi everyone, today I have 4 Halloween DIYs for you all. First DIY is my favourite and it's also the hardest. The other DIYs are so easy, you can even have the children doing them with you. So let's get into the first DIY, which is a spooky graveyard. Using a craft knife, you're going to cut out a piece of your tombstone and keep this for later because we're going to use it, especially if it says rest in peace. Using hot glue, stick some cardboard to create a backing on there. Next I'm taking the skeleton, and I didn't need the legs so I just cut that, and I hot glued him in the corner. Then you're going to cover him up with some soil. Then you're going to cut out another piece, so just a circle. This is to fit in a plant which we're going to do later. So draw a backing and again just hot glue that to the bottom of your tombstone. You're going to take a dead plant and just fit that into the area that you cut out. Remember the piece that we cut off earlier, you're going to bring it back and hot glue it in place. Now to make this even spookier, you're going to take some toy stuffing. I actually did get this out of an old cushion and some creepy crawlies that I got in Poundland, and I'm just hot gluing those. And then I took this orange pumpkin to put under the tree. It was from a light from Poundland, and sticking these ghost lights from Poundland down as well. And this is the first DIY completed. I think it's really spooky, so if spooky Halloween is your thing, I'm sure you're going to love this. The ghost lights are actually really cute. And all of this DIY is pretty much from Poundland, including the tree. So those who love Poundland DIYs, I hope that you do like this one. And honestly, this looks way cooler when the light is off. If you thought it looked spooky before, this is so much more spookier. Right, so we are on to our second DIY. You're going to start off by finding a bottle and filling it with water. I'm then taking some vegetable glycerin, and you're going to see why later. I'm adding in some of this red metallic paint that I got from Poundland and then mixing it in. Then I'm taking some of these creepy crawlies that I got from Poundland as well, and I'm putting them inside the bottle. So the glycerin makes this really cool swirling effect with the paint, and it looks so magical. I'm taking some of this black sticky foam pad and I'm writing poison on there, and then just sticking that on to the bottle as well. And here's the second DIY completed. It's so quick and easy, but it really adds to your Halloween decor. I tried to capture the swirling effect of the paint on the camera. I think you can just about see it. Now we're on to our third Halloween DIY. Again, this is so quick and easy. Take some toy stuffing or use an old pillow. Gently separate the fibres of the toy stuffing or the pillow just to make it look more natural. Then you're going to add some double-sided tape to it so that you can stick it to the wall. Take some clear string and hot glue that to the biggest spider that you have. Then you're going to take your string and you can either hot glue it onto the web or just tie it into one of the fibres of the web. And to finalise, you're going to take your small spiders and hot glue them all over the web. And you're done. You've created an easy and quick spider's nest for some Halloween decor. I've seen these being sold all over the stores and I thought it's super easy to make, so I'll just create it myself and share it with you all. And now we're on to our final DIY in this video. And you're going to start off by covering this lid. I did this with some black duct tape and some card. I hot glued a big spider on the top because this looks really creepy when the lights are off. I took some more of those pumpkins off my Poundland light and I just hot glued them at the bottom of my mason jar. I took some more of that clear string to wrap around the neck of the skeleton, and then I took some duct tape to stick the clear string onto the inside of our lid so that the skeleton is hanging. And then finally take some lights. They sell these scary looking ones in the Halloween section in Poundland with light colours like blue, red, purple, green. So I chose blue and it worked so good. And that's all the ideas for today. I'll see you next time.